Hello my dear student. So today we are going to see how we can reduce a boolean expression using 4 variable K-map. So as you can see here, this is an expression given to us, whereas reduce f within bracket a, b, c and d, these are 4 variables sigma small m 0, 2, 7, 8, 10, 15. Okay, these are actually the gray code that we already know. So if you see the symbol, it clearly suggests us that this sigma means we have to do with the help of SOP. So here we have drawn one K map with 4 variables, so that is 4 by 4, that is 16. So here we have 4 rows and 4 columns. Okay, so in these 4 rows we have already numbered them, with the gray code, like 0, 1, 3, 2, 4, 5, 7, 6, 12, 13, 15, 14, 8, 9, 11 and 10. So that gray coding we already know how we do this. That is nothing but actually the decimal equivalent of these binary pattern. Okay, so what you need to do, just look at these numbers, and in those boxes which are numbered as 0, 2, 7, 8, 10, 15, here in this box you have to fill them with 1. Out of these 16 boxes you have to fill what exactly? 1 in those boxes, like you can see there, 1 in 0, then again in 2, then again in 7, 15, 8 and 10. Okay, now rest of the boxes will fill with 0. The rest of the boxes we have to fill with 0. Now to reduce it, you have to do their grouping. So while grouping, I told you, you need to make either an octet of 8 or quad of 4 or a pair. But we have to see the larger group first. So as we can see, we have 4 ones in the 4 corners. So there is a possibility that we can make a quad by map rolling, as I have clearly mentioned here, map rolling. So we have made one quad with M0, M2, M8 and M10, M0, M2, M8 and M10. So we have made a quad just by rolling the map. So this forms one quad. Then 7 and 15, they makes a pair. So that is why I have made one more pair of M7 plus M15. Okay, now after that, have a look at that. We need to reduce it. For reducing, there are certain laws that we already know. So first we are looking at the pair. Now the pair is M7 and M15, and correspondingly we have written their expression as A0 B C D, and here A B C D. Okay, so these are the corresponding their boolean expression taken from this table. Now the rule says the variable which is changing the state has to remove. So in this case, as we can see, B, C and D are as it is over here also, but A is changing state from A0 to A. So this has to remove. What is left alone is B, C and D. Same way we have to do with the help of quad also. So here we have a quad called M0, M2, M8 and M10, the 4 corners. Okay, so we have written the expression exactly like the way we were doing in the pair, with for M0, for M1, sorry M2, then M8 and M10. Now here also we need to see the variable which are changing state need to be removed. So as we can see thoroughly, we will come to know that B0 and D0 is not changing the state. A and C are changing the state. Have a look at this. A0, A changing the state, need to remove. Have a look at this. B0 not changing. C0, C changing, remove it. Then D is again not changing the state. So what else is left here for quad? B0, D0. So finally our reduced expression would be BCD comes from pair plus BD comes from B0, D0 comes from quad. So this is our final reduced expression. So this is quite simple. You can practice and you will come to know that how easily we can reduce a Boolean expression using KLab. Thank you.